In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily get back your disabled or restricted Facebook ads account back in less than 2 minutes. Welcome back to my channel. I am the mayor of Mayor Concept, and on this channel I empower people with the necessary skills that they need to make money online, and also I create solutions to problems that can hinder you from making money online, just like the video that you're about to watch right now. If this sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the bell notification button so that you'll be notified every single time I drop similar valuable videos like this on my channel. Trust me, if you watch this video to the end and follow through it step by step, you will be able to get your disabled ads account back in less than 2 minutes. So let's dive in. All right, so the first step is for you to log into your Facebook account. All right, so then you come over here and create another tab. All right, so you want to go ahead to business.facebook.com. Just go to the settings, go to business settings. All right, that will load up a new tab. All right, so once you come down to add accounts, and you can see right here it's saying add accounts disabled. All right, this can actually happen if you are new to Facebook and Facebook is trying to confirm whether you are the real owner of the account, as a lot of advertisers have violated Facebook policy before. They are also trying to get back. So the way Facebook has set their algorithm is that to ban any new account, right, and confirm whether they are the real owner of the account. So how do we confirm? How do you claim your account that you are the real owner of the account? If your account is actually new and Facebook banned your account, immediately you are starting to create your campaign without even publishing any campaign. They have banned your account. It only means one thing: Facebook wants you to confirm your identity. They want to confirm your identity, whether you are the real owner of the account. So just follow these steps that I'm going to be revealing to you right now. So the first thing you need is an ID. All right, it doesn't have to be international passport. It can be driver's license, international passport. It can be your school ID card. The main thing you have to notice is that log into your Facebook account and come to your profile. Make sure that the name on your Facebook profile tallies together with the one on your ID card. This is very, very important. All right, or else you will not be able to get back your ad accounts. All right. So your name has to tally, and also very, very important, your date of birth. It has to tally together with each other. So sometimes when you are filling the details when you're creating Facebook account, you might get these details wrong. So just confirm whether these details actually tallies, and you can easily change those one that does not tally on your Facebook account before you proceed with this next step I'm going to be showing you right now. But if your ad account was disabled when you have started running ads already, that might be due to you violating one or two Facebook ads policy, or maybe you have too many rejected ads, and this is actually much more critical. But all the same, you also can appeal to get your ad account back, and luckily you might get it back. You have to pay attention to their advertising policies and familiarize yourself with it before you start advertising on Facebook. But for the new one, there is a high percentage that you actually get your ad account back if you follow these proven steps. All right, so what our advice is that once you've gotten like one rejected ad, do not create any other ad until you make sure that that rejected one is actually approved. You have to make sure that you don't have a lot of rejected ads on your ad account. This may actually cause Facebook to block your account. So once you've gotten your identity card, or the next step is for you to call over to this see details. All right, and click on see details. So the next thing you are going to see, all right, so is that you can request a review. So all you have to do now is just to click on request a review. Now you're going to see start process to request a review. All right, then click on continue. All right, now what they are going to ask in that, help us confirm it is you. Facebook just wanted to confirm whether you're the real owner of the account, nothing much. So go through this. All right, so then click on continue. Then Facebook will tell you that they will actually want to confirm your mobile number. All right, so what I will just do right here is to add another mobile number that I can receive code on. Make sure it's a number that you can receive code on. If it's not, you might not be able to confirm your number. So you can see it said, enter the 6-digit confirmation code that is sent to this number. So all you have to do is to confirm this number, right? So I'm just going to click on continue. All right, so they are going to ask you to enter your email address also. And I'm just going to click on send login code. All right, so here is the code. I'm just going to copy the code right here. Copy, then come back, paste, then I'm going to click on next. So now, here is the main part. You have to upload your photo ID onto this Facebook account, all right? So you have to make sure that you are in a well-lit room and your face is showing very, very well. All the details on your ID is showing very, very well before you upload it. So we're going to upload the image right now. Then as you can see, it said review requested. All you just need to do now is to keep on checking, come back to your ad account and keep on checking whether your ad account has been reinstated. All right. Normally, if you meet with their standard and you follow all the steps I've just outlined, you will get your ads account back immediately. All right. So within just 58 seconds, I refreshed my account and you can see advertising access reinstated. It is very, very simple and automatic. You can see, thank you for confirming your identity. This business can now advertise its ads, ad account, and other affected advertising assets will return to their previous status. Yes! Let me give you a tip. What actually is doing this is just the algorithm. It's not a human review. Human review comes after you've made a request for human review. They cannot handle the massive load of advertisers, facing this problem, because the algorithm is the one that will detect that, oh, this is your account, and maybe it might be some advertiser that they have banned that are trying to circumvent their review process and just buy the account. All right. So once you follow these steps in the video, there's no way you won't get your ad accounts back easily. Sometimes Facebook ads can be very, very frustrating, especially for beginners. But these same Facebook ads can be very, very profitable if you can get a hold of it. I mean, it has generated a lot of millions for me online. If you are struggling with Facebook ads and you are serious about taking your advertising game to the next level, then I have something very, very special for you. My Facebook and Instagram domination course. In this course, I'll walk you through every single thing that you need to know on how to create highly converting Facebook and Instagram ads campaign, optimize your ad spend, and unlock the full potential of Facebook advertising. You are going to learn the same techniques and strategies that has helped countless of business succeed in the digital world. Also, you'll be getting access to my personal support where I personally answer all your questions and everything related to Facebook and Instagram advertising. But that's not all. As a token of appreciation for your support, I am offering an exclusive discount to all my loyal viewers. That means if you're watching this video, you have a chance to get inside the Facebook and Instagram ads domination course at a discounted price today. So all you need to get this discount is just to click on the first link in the description and take your first step towards Facebook Ads Mastery. If you are looking for a legit site also that can pay you up to 3,000 Naira daily, I've done a video that will show you exactly how you can achieve that, which is popping up right now. So click on the video and I'll see you on the next side.